Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coins Binance, updated. Open the Binance app or website and sign in to your verified account, then fund your wallet using a bank transfer or card. Choose the currency pair you want, like BTC/USD, and decide how much to spend. Use market or limit orders depending on your strategy, and always review fees before confirming trades for safer execution. In this video, I will explain how to buy coins Binance, updated. After funding your wallet, go to the Buy Crypto page and select your payment method. If you prefer speed, use card purchases for instant coins, or pick P2P for local payment options with more control. Review the exchange rate and fees, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction while watching for wallet confirmation and transaction timestamps. In this video, I will explain how to buy coins Binance, updated. Quick recommendation: if you like tidy routines while monitoring portfolios, these leak-proof containers keep snacks fresh and wallets away from spills, perfect during trading sessions. They stack neatly in a backpack and save time on meal prep, so you can stay focused on charts without worrying about leaks. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to buy coins Binance, updated. Learn order types before trading, market for speed, limit for precision, and stop loss to limit downside. Check order book depth for liquidity and set reasonable position sizes based on your risk tolerance. Keep records of transactions for taxes, move large balances to secure private wallets, and review withdrawal whitelist settings to reduce unauthorized transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.